to prevent your company from becoming victim to a scammer. I was cruising on Reddit and I ran across this post. Scammer alert, surgical mask wholesaler. Our company got scammed by Poland, 32,000 euros. They promised a supply of 3M masks. We paid the money. They kept delaying the supply by giving excuses. Now they are not replying and the number on their website is disconnected. Beware. On a personal note, my husband's hobby turned into a global business. We have vendors from all over the world that we deal with, and there are steps that you as a business owner should take if you choose to go global and start dealing with vendors all over the world. Here are some steps that we use in our business to prevent us from being scammed. This is not an all-inclusive list. Use the information in this video as a guide to help your company create its own unique process as it relates to dealing with global vendors. Establish a business process on how to deal with global vendors. In other words, write it down. Write step by step what you or your employees should be doing when you are dealing with vendors outside of the United States. When making global purchases, do businesses with large, established companies or individuals or smaller companies that have been vetted. There are companies on eBay, there are companies on Alibaba. There are real people who purchase products and put a customer rating and reviews, and these are things that you should investigate before you decide to use a vendor. If you have a vendor that has negative reviews, if you have a vendor that doesn't have a lot of reviews, these are things you need to consider before you decide to do business with that vendor. Never send money directly to a foreign country. Use PayPal or another similar type of company to where there's a recourse in case you need a refund. I tend to Google the names of companies to see what information I find. Also, I will Google the name of the company and put complaint behind the company's name to see what else comes up. Google, as we know, is not the Bible. It is full of a lot of misinformation in addition to a lot of credible information. Again, you'll have to piece together the information you find to make your own determination if this company is credible. If the company says it's from Poland or it is established in Russia, or if it's established in whatever country that it says that it's established in, I would think that that website would be in that native language. With the vendors we do use vendors in Poland. We do have many vendors in Russia. We do have a lot of vendors in other different countries. Their websites are in that language, and in the upper right-hand corner is a button called Translate. So it is able to translate the language into English, and we are able to understand the products that we are ordering. And finally, if the item is to be purchased from an ad, take the time to hover your mouse over the link, don't click it, and just see what is that web address. That will also help you to determine if it's from a legitimate source or if it's from a scammer. Again, use these tips as a guide to help you and your company develop its own unique business process for ordering items globally. There are a lot of scams out there considering all this PPP loan, all of this EIDL money, and then there are stimulus checks coming in to individuals. Please Be mindful that the scammers are already on it. They already know that this money is out there and they want to get their cut. And if they can't get their cut through the government, they're going to try to get it through you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.